Hi, I'm Dr. Lambeau, and it's time to learn Forex trading with me. It's been said that once we find a perfect trading system, we can make money just by following it. Is it that easy? To be a rational trader, you need to build a mature trading system. Today we are going to talk about the MACD indicator and Fibonacci indicator. Both of them are commonly used in market analysis. Moving Average Convergence Divergence MACD is an MT4 indicator based on exponential moving average EMA. It has three components. First, the zero line, which is the baseline with zero value. Second, the histogram that is plotted as bars from the baseline vertically. The histogram values are derived from the difference between MACD line and signal line. The MACD line is calculated by subtracting the fast moving average from a slow moving average to derive its differential value. A positive value is displayed as a positive histogram, while a negative histogram represents a negative value.
If you want to watch the full version of the video, you can go to TradingLive or download the TradingLive app. Share it to your friends and learn for free.